Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure your account has age verification and passed identity checks. Next, permit microphone access in Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Android. Also allow the browser or Roblox app to use the mic. Open Roblox settings, go to privacy and look for the voice chat toggle. Once done, join a game that supports voice or the beta program. This activates the option for accounts already approved. If you skipped verification, complete it now so the feature can appear. Now you dig into the details. Update the Roblox client and restart the app. Outdated builds often hide features. Then open Settings Privacy again and verify the voice chat option is visible. Some games also require creator settings to allow voice. Check your microphone in the operating system, choose the correct input, set level, and test recording. If using a browser, clear cache or try an incognito window. Once these steps are complete, the option should appear for eligible accounts. Finish by logging out and back in, then join a supported game and test voice chat immediately. If it still does not show, repeat the identity verification flow and double-check your account email and age details. Incomplete verification blocks the feature. As a final troubleshooting measure, create a new test account that meets requirements. This isolates whether the problem is account-specific or device-related. If the test account works, escalate to Roblox support with the failing account details and device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.